Look how beautiful nature is, but it's a bitch.
This is why they made cities.
This is why they made apartments and houses, indoor plumbing. If Liam Neeson was here, though, he'd carry all of us. Just putting that out there. Liam Neeson? Don't say who is that.
I didn't hear what you said.
Liam Neeson.
I didn't hear what you said.
Oh, but you do know who it is. Okay. What's his famous movie?
Oh, I was rushing my food.
Get that shit out.
I just moved it around.
What'd you say? Say it again? Oh, dude, honestly, I fell asleep. Stop, what? There is. What is it? In the back, just chilling.
I'm dying.
My hair is fucking long, I gotta cut it. Remember how long my hair used to be?
Yes.
Down to my shoulders?